All right, Leanna, we're back with Cooper. We've got him up by the shopping center around some distractions, so I'm just going to give him a little workout. We'll go from there. Such a good boy. Down. Oh no, you're fine. I'm sorry. Just
That's okay.
good boy.
That's a good puppy.
Thanks.
Good boy. He's such a good boy.
Down. All right, so we did start him on the turn towards, and we'll start working on that where we can turn in front of them. So that helps them understand that when they're heeling, they're not to get ahead of you, because if something always turns like that, you would not be to your advantage to get ahead of it. So heel. Good boy. Good boy you are.
He is a good boy. He's a good boy.
Down.
He's a wonderful dog.
All right, girl, he's doing great. He's running low on his food, though, so I think we better have you come out and bring. I wouldn't even begin to know where to buy that food, so you can bring him some treats and some more food. Anyway, email me, girl. See ya. Bye.